Alright.
How deep? We just lost a dog in a snowdrift.
Where is she? No, seriously, where is she?
I'll go save her. Come on. There she is. Alright. How deep do you think this snowdrift is?
You're good right
You look like Santa.
Woo, that's cold!
Daddy's gonna need like extra large hot chocolate.
there.
Say anything that was funny.
I'm cold now. Woo! Did I disappear in the snow?
Yeah, you did.
You did.
All right. Daddy's cold now.
Hey, that was fine.
You want to sign it?
Here, let's try one more time.
Yeah, there you go. That's perfect because that's like a little padded.
All right. Woo! Whoa!
Unstoppable baby! Ah!
Wow. Woo. What's the matter? Is your head turn?
His head turns all the time. I don't know why. Where's Roxy?
She's on the porch.
Okay.
She's ready to go in.
Are you okay? Why don't you go in?
No.
You gotta turn it on and off. Small little videos.